While others who scaled back, we scaled forward. This isn't just our legacy, it's our responsibility. With 10 state-of-the-art facilities across the U.S., Belden connects people, information, and ideas. We solve your challenges with innovation, and we make the connections that keep everything running. Because we're more than just cables. We are the backbone of innovation, energy, infrastructure, smart manufacturing, logistics, entertainment, healthcare, aerospace, defense, and every sector America relies on. So when American businesses need a partner who stood the test of time, they reach out to Belden. Bring us your challenges. We'll engineer solutions together. Rooted in America, built to endure. Belden. Connect to what's possible.